So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic miracles. So guys, this video will be about nature miracles. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and answer the question here. It says, according to the gospel accounts, what was the first miracle performed by Jesus? We have A, healing a blind man, B, calming a storm, C, turning water into wine, D, feeding the 5,000. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, turning water into wine. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this lesson for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.